Ayan. Hello guys. So, may bagong bootcamp na naman. So, dalawa yung server. Bootcamp A01 at Bootcamp A02. Pipili na lang kayo dyan. So, try natin sa Bootcamp A01. So, guys, mabilis daw yung XP dito. Times 300%. Tapos, may free epic plus. Epic set siya guys. Plus. Pero, may days siya. May date siya kung wala may expert. So, as usual, Archer yung ginagawa natin. So, Archer tayo. Archer tayo guys. So, skip na natin tong part na to kasi alam na natin to guys. Okay, select appearance na tayo. Confirm, dapat. Easy. Easy. 1. Easy 1. So, start. Tingnan natin kung madaming tao dito guys. So, skip na rin natin to kasi alam natin to guys. Ayan. Okay. Ano na natin makuha? Uy, may email agad tayo makukuha guys. Oh, Battle of Victory Reward sa bootcamp. Tapos, ano to guys? Achievement. Ano to? Battle of Victory Reward. Tapos, may bug expansion tayo na 30 slots agad yun guys. Enhancement. Okay, okay. Talk to master tayo. Tapos, ayusin natin yung camera. Yan.
Oops, allow us. The ether is near the cliff, so we shall meet over there. The ancient dwarves created something special to collect ether. A steel engraved with runes and an altar. Together,
Tingnan natin
the
guys.
power of Ymir.
Kung totoo ang balita.
Though many years have passed, ether still forms here, even now. Master said that we could prevent Ragnarok from happening with the power of ether. Looks like there's a swarm of kobolds in front of the steel. Be careful.
That stone belongs to us! Insolent Midgardian!
The power of ether now flows within it. We must instill the remaining tower with its energy as well. There should be another steel in the forest. Retrieve ether from there as well. Ah, there you are. The leader of the enemy is on the Bifrost altar. Brunhild is in danger. We need to fight her at once. Good. The energy of ether has been fully charged. Now, go to the altar and rescue Brunhild. She is the lamb.
You waste your efforts on a futile ambition.
As long as our lord desires prison power, we will never retreat. Solar eclipse is empowering our enemies. We need to rescue Brunhild and move Bifrost as soon as possible.
Is that fireball in the sky?
Heretic! Do not interfere with the deeds of Lord Hrungnir!
Thank goodness. Hrungnir retreated. We must dispel the solar eclipse, the first harbinger of Ragnarok, before it's too late. Ymir, Rick,
I didn't expect Hrungnir to go after Brisingamen. I'll help Brunhild back. Return to
You must pass through Iriscliff.
Na-reach na natin level 5, tapos lalabas na dito yung mga events. So makikita nyo siya upper left, etong gift, parang gift box. So ito yung special, check-in, tsaka task. So etong Adbar Hidden Reliquary is meron dito sa normal server. Eto din, meron din nito sa normal server. Eto din, meron din nito sa normal server. Eto din, meron din nito sa normal server. Ito din, meron din sa normal server nito. Ito din. At ito din. Oh, eto guys. Eto is need nyo ma-reach yung level 15 for first epic nyo. Sure, ano to, epic na plus 7, kaso may limited time lang siya. So gagawin nyo lang itong mga naka-indicate na mission dito guys. Yan, kailangan nyo pumatay ng monster. Tapos dito is this nyo pumasok ng 2 times sa expedition boss, tapos sa 1 time sa raid. Tapos reach level 45. Tapos reach artifact essence stage 9. After nun, magawa nyo lahat yan is yung pinaka reward is ito is epic accessory plus 7 din. So may limited time lang siya guys. So dito tayo. Ito guys, ayan, kailangan nyo lang gawin yung mga naka-indicate na mission yan. Discover viewpoint nyo each map category para makuha nyo, matapos yung mission at makuha nyo yung reward. Yan. Tapos yan, pag nagawa nyo na yan guys, may reward na kayo makukuha. May viewpoint pa kayo na extra quest na hindi naka-indicate dito. Yan, gawin lang natin to guys. Next is yan, register Black Valkyrie. So alam naman natin yan guys kung paano gawin yan. Yan, artifact stage din. Yan, i-develop natin is artifact essence natin. Tapos yung pinaka reward is sure epic siya guys, epic companion land. Tapos next meron ulit, meron ulit guys. Ito, gawin lang natin yung mga mission dito. Yan, Saga Clue, discover Saga Clue. Yan, yan, kill mobs ulit, kill mobs. Tapos expedition boss tsaka raid. Tapos ang pinaka reward is epic air companion. Ito din guys. Okay, magka-craft lang tayo ng 50 pieces. Craft tayo ng 50 pieces. Tapos enhance din tayo ng 50 times. As dismantle din tayo ng 10 times. Tapos ang reward is eto, rare to epic na treasure. Okay, sa baba. Okay, eto maganda to kasi tayo yung pipili kung anong gusto nating skill yung palakasin. Yan, kung ano dyan, pipili tayo kung anong skill. So ayun, rare, pang craft sa rare mats. So ganun din siya. Yan, gagawin lang natin yung mga mission guys. Ayan. Ito, meron din ito sa normal server. Ayan, meron din ito sa normal server guys. Ito din, meron din ito. Meron din ito sa normal server. Meron din. Ito starting talaga ng every game nung launch pa lang ng Emir, meron na neto. So meron neto, meron din neto, meron din neto, meron din neto. Yan guys, I think lahat dito sa baba meron sa normal server. Okay, meron lahat yan. So, ang pinaka-special lang dito is yung Sure Epic Plus 7. Eto. Kaso limited time lang siya, guys. Yan. Sure Epic Plus 7. Doon lang natin sa mga na-indicate na mission. Then, may limited time siya, guys. Kung hanggang kailan lang siya pwede magamit. Kasi nag-expire to, guys. Yan. Expiration date niya. Yan, guys. Sa 8/25. Mag-expire na tong items na to. Yan, maganda siya panimula, guys. So, yun lang. Peace out.